Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some resin holographic sun catchers, so let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using this gorgeous vivid hollow chunky mix glitter from Island Micas and More. I'll link it down below. This one is in periwinkle, and I just mixed in some glitter with clear resin, and I'm using my little spouted pouring cups from Let's Resin to very carefully pour around the perimeter of the butterfly. And now I'm going in with some light blue tinted resin, and I was just pouring right in the center of the wings in this mold. I was trying to pour quickly because if you don't pour quickly, the glitter will start to spread out, and I didn't want that to happen, so I was just trying to do my outline and then go in with that light blue tinted resin pretty quickly. And these spouted cups from Let's Resin are really great for pouring glitter. You don't want to fill them up all the way to the top. Fill them up about halfway, and they're really great for getting a nice controlled pour like this. Same thing on this one, just outline the butterfly. I was a little heavy-handed on the wing on the left, but that's okay. It still turned out really gorgeous. Just going in with that light blue tinted resin right in the center of the wings. And you can see it's going to push that glitter right out to the edge, give you a really pretty kind of border of glitter on your creation. And this one here is the Vivid Hollow Chunky Glitter from Island Micas and More in Onyx. My lovely subscriber Rose sent me these glitters a while back, and I was so excited to use them for this. They're so pretty, so thank you so much, Rose, for sending me these. They're absolutely gorgeous. And Island Micas and More, they have a ton of different colors on their website of this type of glitter. It's like a really gorgeous chunky mix. I'll link it down below. I'll link all the materials I'm using down below in the description box. And same thing, just went around the perimeter of the mold, and I'm going to fill up the center with a little bit of the light blue tinted resin. And I'm using the liquid diamonds today. I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how I mix my liquid diamonds, I will link that down below. I also have a short 1-minute video I'll link down below too. Really quickly, I'd show you step by step how to mix your resin, so definitely check that out if you want to see how I mix my resin. I wanted to add a little bit more resin to these two round pieces here, and that is going to be it. I did have a few surface bubbles, so I did spray them with a little 91% isopropyl alcohol to pop those. Let them dry overnight. Here we are ready to take them out of the mold. I was so excited to see how they turned out. I just love these molds. They have the holographic effect inside of them, so anything you make inside the mold is going to turn out holographic like this. And you could definitely use these as coasters if you wanted to as well. Just attach some 3M clear rubber bumpers on the back and they're good to go as coasters. But I like to turn these into sun catchers. What I like to do is just take my little handheld drill a small hole in the top and the bottom, attach my eye screws and glass crystal beads, and then you're good to go. You have a sun catcher, and since these are resin, they are for indoor use only. It doesn't get super hot where I live, but it might get really hot where you live, so they're best for indoor use because when resin is exposed to high heat, high temperatures, it can get bendy. But here's how they turned out. Let me know what you think. I hope you guys give this a try. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll link all the materials I used down below in the description box, along with any coupon codes that I have. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations, and let me know which one's your favorite. Do you like this round one or the butterfly? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys are all doing fabulous, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye, guys.